So I have this old pair of shearers, and they don't really shear like entirely well, and they're a bit dull, so let's sharpen them. Screws could probably come out. So here's our two shears. Now I just need to sharpen the blade shears of these bits. Start by filing the bevel on the back. With both of the bevels sharpened, we can now proceed to sharpen and or flatten the back. With the blades nicely sharpened, I can reattach them to each other and then onto the handle thingy. Have the spring, washer, nut. Try some WD-40 on that, or some oil, just in there where it's pivoting. Let's try this again. Oh yeah, much better. And it is, of course, razor sharp.